third PD array on the list is the order block. With the order block, it doesn't just form inside of swing highs and swing lows. They can also form anywhere in price action. They can form inside an impulse move up or down. They can form inside a correction or pullback retracement. They can form anywhere, you name it. But first of all, what is an order block? To my knowledge, there are two ways that an order block can form. One is a single candle order block, and the other a series of candles order block. In this example, we're going to examine what a bullish order block is. As we can see, this is a swing low.
And a bullish order block is sometimes the same candle as the rejection block, but this time instead of the close, we use the open for order blocks. Much in the same sense as a rejection block, the lowest down close candle or a series of down close candles that starts an impulsive move higher becomes the bullish order block. The bullish order block is validated when price trades above the high of the most recent bearish candle. So in this case, once price trades above this candle's high, it becomes the bullish order block. There are three key levels of interest with the order block too, and as you can see, this is an example of a series of down close candles. The first one is the high of the order block, which you can label as bullish order block high. The second level is the opening price, which is the bullish order block open. And the last level is the halfway point of the body of the candle, which is also known as bullish order block mean threshold. The inverse is true for the bearish order blocks. The bearish order block is the highest up-close candle, or a series of up-close candles that starts an impulsive move lower. The bearish order block is validated when price trades below the low of the most recent bullish candle. There are three key levels of interest with the order block, and as you can see, this is an example of a single down close candle. The first one is the low of the order block, which you can label as bearish order block low. The second level is the opening price, which is the bearish order block open. And the last level is the halfway point of the body of the candle, which is also known as bearish order block mean threshold. Up next, we have the fair value gap. I hope you found something useful. If you did, please leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notifications bell in order to get notified anytime we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.